Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make unsweetened iced tea. First, choose your preferred tea, whether it is black, green, or a delightful herbal variety. Next, measure your tea using 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water. Finally, heat fresh, filtered water to the ideal temperature, typically around 212 degrees Fahrenheit for black tea. Now, let's brew your tea perfectly. For black tea, steep it for 3 to 5 minutes to extract a rich, full-bodied flavor. If you are using green tea, steep it for a shorter period, about 2 to 3 minutes, to prevent any bitterness. Always remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaves immediately after the recommended brewing time. Once brewed, let your hot tea cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for preventing cloudy iced tea. Next, fill a pitcher with plenty of ice. Pour your cooled tea concentrate over the ice, then add an equal amount of cold water to dilute it. This creates a perfectly balanced, refreshing beverage. For the best unsweetened iced tea, always start with fresh, high-quality tea leaves. You might also consider brewing a slightly stronger tea concentrate, which you can then dilute with ice and cold water to your preferred strength. Store any remaining iced tea in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.